Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the keyboard theme on the Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So open settings on your device. Within the settings, scroll down and select additional settings. So select that and then tap on language and input. Select it and then choose manage keyboards. So select that. And then from here, simply tap on the keyboard that you're using. So which for me, I'm using Gboard, so tap on it. And then from the options that appear, simply select theme. Now you should see a couple of themes. So you can simply scroll through the options that are available and find the theme you'd like to use. So let's say if you want a color theme, so you can simply choose the color and you should see a preview of what it looks like. So if you like it, simply tap on apply and that will apply the changes. Or if you can choose other categories like landscapes, light gradient or dark gradient. So choose the theme that you'd like. So let's say if you want this particular theme, if you want this particular theme, you can simply tap on it to be downloaded. And then now you should see a preview of what it looks like. And if you like it, simply tap on apply. And there you go, you have successfully changed the keyboard theme. So whenever you launch your theme, your keyboard theme, so let's say for instance, if you launch the keyboard, there you go. You can now see your new keyboard theme has been applied. So that's basically it on how to change the keyboard theme on the Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.